welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiki, also known as Chris, and today you're watching Baking It with Chris and Camille. I don't know if this is going to be a series. We shall see how this goes. Maybe I'll keep baking. I don't know. You don't know. We shall see how this turns out. Okay, so anyway. So today we are going to make cookies, peanut butter cookies, with only 3 ingredients. And this is no like gimmick, glumpy, nasty cookie. They actually taste good. They may not look that great, JK, but they do taste good. So we are going to show you the ingredients that you need, just in case you guys want to bake them along with us. We'll try to make this as
good as we can.
Best as we can. All right. So you're going to need
one egg.
Egg.
Any kind of peanut butter
Any kind of peanut butter. You can use crunchy. I have used crunchy. I'm using green.
Then we have some white. You have to use some white sugar.
White sugar, blanco.
Azúcar.
So if you guys want to see us get this party started, make sure you keep on watching, y'all. Okay, so first you're going to start off by cracking your 1 egg into the bowl. This is her favorite part, cracking the egg. All right, and she did a perfect job cracking that egg.
And first step, make sure you wash your hands.
Oh yeah, always make sure you wash your hands. So they say to add 1 cup of sugar, but I like to add only a half a cup of sugar.
Yeah.
And then they also say to add 1 cup of peanut butter.
So that
See, it's getting that consistency. You don't need any flour. You don't need anything else. This is all you need. And you just keep whisking until you get to the consistency that you think would be perfect. Look at all that peanut butter. Okay, so right now we are preheating our oven. We are putting it on. It's supposed to be 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're going to do 175 Celsius. And it says for 10 minutes. We're not quite ready yet, but I want to preheat it, so I'm going to put it on for 20. It says you need to keep on checking them, so make sure you check them. Could be anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes, but it's empty right now. So we will put those in just a moment. Okay, so first, I don't have any baking sheets. I realized this today, but I've baked in these before and they are okay. So if you don't have a baking sheet, which everybody does, I never bought one when I moved in, you could use any kind of aluminum pan like this, but you want to make sure that you have some sort of pan, or you could even use softened butter and oil, and this is just for the bottom of the pan to make sure that it does not stick. Just like that. So we are making 10 cookies, 10 to 12. You can make about 15, but I usually make them a little bigger. So this is what your batter should look like. Now we are about to roll up some balls and get to baking. So this is what the first one looks like. They are very gooey, and they are also chewy, so we let them sit afterwards, but that is what you're going to have them look like.
This is the second one.
Okay, so this is what they look like. We went ahead and put 5 in this pan and 6 in this pan. I'll push that a little bit more, so we got a total of 11. That's what they should look like. Let's hope that they turn out good. We're going to go ahead and put them into the oven. Open up the oven, just be very careful. Been in there for about 5 minutes, and that's how they look so far. Like I said, they're really soft, and you're going to have to let them cool once they do finish. But they look delicious.
Yeah.
They are so good.
They look like a mountain.
So we will show you the end result coming up soon. So they are finished and they are cooling off. That is how they should look. They will still, like I said, be a little bit moist, but once you don't take them out of the pan right away, let them cool off, let them sit, and we are about to take them off and put them on the counter so they can sit, cool off, and then we can switch them onto our plate. So this is how they look after sitting for a little while. Now I want to mind you, like when I took them out right away, they were super moist. Now they are getting harder, and we're about to move them over to the plate, but they are now harder. And so when you take them out, please do not worry that they are not going to be perfect. Like I said, do it from about, it says 7 to 10 minutes, but I do it for about, these batch I did for 12. So, and that was for both pans. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch them over to the plates and we shall see how they look. Guys, this is the end result and they came out really good. They came off the pan very well and they are delicious. This is a few of them and I still have about 7 more. So I hope you guys like this. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Baking It with Chris and Camille. We have a few extra cookies left in the oven, but the other ones are done that you have already seen, and they turned out great, and they taste delicious. Even if they don't look perfect, they taste amazing. So I hope that you guys like this video. You can use this for anything. Birthdays, just a simple weekly snack. You can store them. I store mine in the refrigerator because it keeps them hard and I like the texture when they're in the refrigerator. So you can store them in the refrigerator in just a container with a lid on it. And they're perfect for holidays. You can make holiday cookies. You can decorate them however you want. So I figured this would be something good to show you guys before the holidays come up. Thanksgiving's coming. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. You can make these really whenever with just simple ingredients in your household. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up, Camille. Make sure to tap that bell to be notified of future videos and to hit that subscribe button down below and let me know if you guys want to see more baking videos coming from me and my co-host Camille. Alright guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Muchos besos. Bye guys.